Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox without mobile data. Mobile data plans often come with strict limits, making it challenging to enjoy data-intensive games like Roblox for extended periods. Running out of data can interrupt your fun and lead to unexpected charges. We'll explore the most reliable and cost-effective way to keep playing your favorite Roblox experiences without worrying about your data usage. The most effective and often only way to play Roblox without using your mobile data is by connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi offers a consistent and generally unlimited internet connection, perfect for online gaming. Whether you are at home, a friend's house, or a public hotspot, a strong Wi-Fi signal ensures smooth gameplay. This method completely bypasses your cellular data plan, saving you money and preventing data overages. To ensure the best Roblox experience, optimize your Wi-Fi connection. A strong, secure home network is ideal, offering speeds that can easily handle online gaming. Try to minimize other devices streaming or downloading heavily on the same network to reduce lag. If available, connecting to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band can provide significantly faster speeds and lower latency compared to the 2.4 GHz band, enhancing your gameplay. By consistently using Wi-Fi, you can enjoy Roblox for hours on end without ever touching your mobile data allowance. This means no more worrying about hitting data caps or incurring unexpected costs. A stable Wi-Fi connection also generally provides a more reliable and faster gaming experience, reducing lag and improving overall enjoyment. Embrace Wi-Fi to unlock endless Roblox adventures, completely data-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.